What's going on, everyone? Mario here with Neko Prints again. Today we're going to go ahead and continue our sublimating on HTV series. Today's choice of HTV is Siser StripFlock Pro. Now the StripFlock HTV from Siser, it feels just like another piece of fabric. This doesn't have your typical HTV feel. If you want to check out any of the items used in this video, like the Sawgrass SG1000 or the 500, the HTV that I use, or the Silhouette Cameo cutter, make sure to check out Heat Transfer Warehouse. The link is down below, and just so everyone's aware, it is an affiliate link. So if you click on that, I get a small percentage of your sale, and it definitely helps out the channel and it helps me out by a huge amount. That being said, you don't have to use them. You don't have to use my link. You can buy it wherever you want. I just personally really like using Heat Transfer Warehouse. I've been affiliated with them for some time now, and I've had nothing but good experiences with them even before I was an affiliate. Let's jump straight into it. Let's go ahead and cut our design, press this on, and then sublimate onto it and see how well it works and how easy it is to do. Let's do it. Okay, so to start, we're going to go ahead and find our design over at placeit.net. Placeit.net, you can find a bunch of different designs, mock-ups, video mock-ups, almost anything you could think of, and they have a bunch of things for free, but they also have the paid plan, which obviously gets you a lot more access to everything on the website. So I have the paid plan. It's not that bad. It's about $90 for the entire year, but you get unlimited downloads of any designs that you want, seasonal designs, mock-ups, videos, logos, a bunch of different things. If you want to check out Placeit, the link's going to be down below. The one we're going to go with is this one. I like this one. Your presents are requested. And we're going to keep it simple. So we're going to get rid of this and this. Remember, if you want, you can always go ahead and change any of the colors. You can change the accents. You can change the color of the present itself. But let's just keep it like this and let's download it. Alright, if you'll see up here, it's already saying that it's processing our design. It only takes a few seconds. Once it's ready, you'll see click here to download. So just go ahead and click there. I'm going to go ahead and bring it over to my Silhouette Design Studio. As you can tell, this is a huge image. Let's go ahead and make it smaller. Alright, so here we're looking at about 11 by 7 inches. That's not too bad. So what we're going to do, since you see all these little breaks here, is we're going to go to the offset panel, select it, and create an offset. That's actually a perfect offset. It's not too much outside of the design. It's a perfect outline, and that's all we need. So first, what we're going to do here is we're going to flip this horizontally. Just make sure to do that for the image as well. And let's go ahead and send this to cut. To cut StripFlock, it is recommended that we use, since we're using the Silhouette Cameo 4, it is recommended that we use the material Heat Transfer Flocked with a force of 6 and a speed of 5. So let's look for the Heat Transfer Flocked. Heat Transfer Flocked. Our defaults for this, force is 33, speed is 5, with a blade of 3. So what I do is I always like to increase it by 1, and then the force is already all the way up. Let's go ahead and send to cut. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and print our design. What I like to do for this is go ahead and set up my width and height of my media, which is usually the vinyl, to the size of the paper that I'm going to be using. In this case, I'm going to be using 11 by 17 to print. And to make sure that the software knows what size paper we're using, we're going to go to File, Print Page Setup, and here under Size, let's go ahead and choose 11 by 17. Now when we go ahead and hit Print, this is going to fit perfectly on the page. Let's hit Print. I use the Sawgrass SG1000, but we never print directly to it. We're always going to print to the Print Manager. The reason we do this is so that way we can mess with any settings. And if you print directly to the printer, the colors never come out the way they're supposed to. 11 by 17. I always keep my substrate as polyester. Quality, I leave high quality. Paper, I always leave text print on, even if I'm using ASUB or my own brand Neko Prints paper. Color, I always leave on vivid, unless it's a picture, in which case I switch it over to photographic. We don't need to mirror it, considering the fact that it already is mirrored. Let's go ahead and print. We have our cut StripFlock Pro and our design printed. Let's go ahead and weed this and trim this. So here we have a 100% cotton shirt. What we're going to do is we're going to pre-press it. I've got my heat press set to 400 degrees. which is the usual temperature that I use for sublimating. Place our heat transfer vinyl where we want it to go. And we're gonna tack this down for about 10 seconds. 10 seconds are up. Let's go ahead and remove the carrier. Let's go ahead and place our design. And now we're gonna press 400 degrees for 45 seconds. See how this came out? And there we have it. That's all there is to it. So this has a nice semi-soft feel to it. The only way that I can describe it is, yeah, you can tell there's a second layer on this. You can tell there's a piece of vinyl on there, but it doesn't feel like normal vinyl. It feels like another piece of fabric. It's a little thick, but it's not crunchy. It's not plasticky. It doesn't feel like vinyl. It feels nice. I like it. I do like this. I've never used StripFlock before, and I'm very impressed with it. Now the colors, I feel the colors could be maybe a little bit more vibrant. I don't know if that could be because of the image that we chose or because of the material, but overall it does not look bad. Ease of use is definitely an easy 10. Super easy to use, super easy to sublimate on. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if there's something that you'd like to see me try, if there's anything you'd like to see me sublimate on to see if it works or not. This was part 2 on our heat transfer sublimation series. I have a few more heat transfer vinyls that I'm going to go ahead and sublimate on in future videos, and we're going to go ahead and continue the series and see what's best and what's easiest to sublimate on as an alternative for using 100% polyester shirts. Make sure to hit that subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment down below with something you'd like to see me try, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.